Morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we will do a comprehension. It is from your book, page number 109, The Festival of Halloween. I am reading the passage for you. I was in the US last October to visit my uncle's family. There I learned about an interesting American holiday. It was the festival of Halloween, celebrated on 31st October. On Halloween, people carve pumpkins with knives and make funny faces on them. These are called jack o' lanterns. Jack o' lanterns. Children wear special costumes so that they look like witches, ghosts, or clowns. They go to many houses, knock on the door, and say, trick or treat. It means that if people don't give them a treat, the children will play some kind of trick on them. Usually, people give candies to them. People give candies to them. The holiday involves all members of the family and also many neighbors. So it is a festival. Here it is described that who is narrating or who is telling the story. Once he went to US and there he saw an holiday that is called the festival of Halloween. There they cut the pumpkins shape of the in different shapes like masks, and then they make all these things, and these are called the jack-o'-lanterns. Or children wears some special dresses like costumes like witches, ghosts and clowns, and there they knocks, and if they gives the candies or some treat to them, they will not play any prank on the neighbors, and many they can make a group and they can play. Okay, next we are going to the question part. Answer the following questions. What did the speaker learn in the US? What did the speaker learn in the US? The speaker learned about an interesting American holiday. It was the festival of Halloween celebrated on 31st October. Again, I am telling the answer. You will write in your copy. The speaker learned about an interesting American holiday. It was the festival of Halloween celebrated on 31st October. Next, number 2. How are pumpkins carved? How are pumpkins carved? On Halloween, people carve pumpkins with knives and make funny faces on them. On Halloween, people carve pumpkins with knives and make funny faces on them. These are called jack-o'-lanterns. Jack-o'-lanterns. Okay. Next, tick the correct answer for each. Number 1. When is Halloween celebrated? At the end of October, about 3 months before Christmas in winter. It will be at the end of October. Clear? Number 2. Which is true about Halloween? Children says, candy please. Children receive gifts from their parents. A dressed up witch or ghost may come to the door. Actually, see here it is said that children wear special costumes so that they look like witches, ghosts, or clowns. And they knocks on the door and says that trick or treat. That means correct answer will be a dressed up witch or ghost may come to the door. Clear? A dressed up witch or ghost may come to the door. Number 3. Which is not true about a jack-o'-lantern? That means here which one is not correct. Which one is not true? That means false. Which one is not true means false. It is made from a pumpkin. It is correct answer because it is made of pumpkin only. You should have a knife to make it. So really we want a knife to make it, because how we will cut without a knife? You fill it with treats for children. No, this one is not true. This one is false. No, they dress up as a witch, ghost or cloud, and they goes over on the doors and knocks over there and says that trick or treat. Okay, so they do not fill the jack-o'-lantern with treats. So this one will be ticked. You fill it with treats for children. Okay, so I think you can do the answers in your copy. Okay, in your grammar copy. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.